Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about how to start earning money in your online business. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. For more information about how to start earning money in your online business with Richard Murphy, head over to my website, link is in the description box. How to start earning money in your online business with Richard Murphy. There are many ways you can learn how to start earning money in your online business. Some people want to earn more money in a short amount of time and others want to make their business a successful one so they can enjoy it for years to come. You have the option of following the path that you choose and others can also follow the same path. A lot of people want to earn more money by promoting their products or services. This can be done by joining affiliate programs where you pay them a commission when someone signs up and purchases the product or service through your link. There are a lot of companies offering to promote your product for free. You can also start to earn money by writing articles. You have to write good quality articles to make money. There are many blogs and websites out there where you can submit your articles and publish your writing for free. When you want to earn money by writing, you should know that you have to make your articles as interesting as possible. If you want to gain popularity on the internet, you have to write good quality content for blogs and websites. You have to offer your readers something new, which they can use. A lot of websites and blogs to provide relevant information to help readers make good decisions. Another way you can earn money is to create and sell a product. Some people like to create their own products and sell them online. Others also start selling goods and services directly to people through internet marketing. Some people just want to sell their products through regular email distribution. Others use eBay or other online stores to sell products. You can also sell your products and services through forums and other marketing websites. But if you want to learn how to start earning money in your online business, the first thing you need to do is find a good product to sell. Many people start their business with a product that they already know about. Some people want to learn how to start earning money in their online business by using their knowledge of search engine optimization. It is not necessary to use every technique in order to learn how to start earning money in your online business. You can try using search engines to find out more about your product. One of the most popular ways to find out about your product is to read blogs, forums, and other marketing websites. You can find out which people use the product and what the issues are related to that product. If you want to learn how to start earning money in your online business, you should also learn how to use search engines to find your product. You can also see how well people use the product by checking the search engine results. If you have a product that does not seem to work well, you may want to give it a try before you give up on it. Once you are able to find a product that people like, you can continue to learn how to start earning money in your online business. You can also take your product to the web design firms to help you promote it properly. All of these methods are simple ways you can make money online. There are a lot of ways you can learn how to start earning money in your online business and make money too. If you want to know how to start earning money in your online business with Richard Murphy, you are reading the right article. This article will provide some very valuable information for anyone who is serious about creating a successful online business. Richard Murphy is a master at creating strong networks that go way beyond traditional marketing methods. You can find his powerful marketing strategies being used by people all over the world. The best part of it all is that he teaches all of this in an interactive way. One of the most powerful techniques that Richard Murphy uses to build and maintain his business is called the peeling technique. You might be asking what the peeling technique is. Well, let me explain. When you create an online business, you need to build the right foundation. It is crucial that your website is extremely professional, inviting, informative, and user-friendly. A website needs to offer real value to the people visiting it. In order to do this, you need to be able to attract these visitors to make a purchase. How does Richard Murphy accomplish this? His core marketing technique is called attraction marketing. He applies this process to every aspect of his website. Before you apply peeling to your own website, you must ask yourself a few questions. Does your site really need physical contact to generate sales? Do you have a unique value proposition for people? The answer to the first question is yes. You should offer a free service or product to attract your target audience. Your goal is to have them feel that they are missing out on something important. How can you know if your website is attracting your targeted audience? You can do this by performing a web analytics test. Do you have a tracking page that allows you to monitor your site's traffic? In order to increase the value of your website, you need to utilize the power of SEO. Search engine optimization (SEO) is the process of enhancing the ranking of your website on the major search engines. The more popular your website is on the major search engines, the more valuable it will be. You can increase the value of your website through improved rankings on the major search engines. Richard Murphy is one of the best consultants and internet marketers around. He is truly a master at getting results for his clients. He has made a name for himself over the years because of his amazing methods. What can start earning money in your online business with Richard Murphy do for you? Here's how. I've read plenty of life coach books in my day, and I've become disillusioned with most of them in terms of being a realistic way to learn how to make money. I think the problem with most life coaches is that they don't offer any tools or systems for teaching your current financial situation. You see, anyone can read a life coach's advice and apply it to their own life situation. It doesn't matter how far out of touch with reality they are, as long as they were influenced by the experience. If it worked for them, then it will probably work for you, too. But an effective coach provides you with some tangible tools and strategies to help you take action. If you were to take advice from an unemployed guy who wears poor quality clothing because he doesn't have the money to buy more than one pair, then you would be wasting your time. So why should you even listen to a man who is on his way to bankruptcy? The same holds true for your life coach. But not all of them come across that way. They are very convincing in their performance. But you can start earning money in your online business with Richard Murphy. As a coach, he works hard to create a strategy, using his knowledge of the industry and his background as a licensed estate agent. And he provides you with easy-to-follow techniques to improve your income stream, and performance. You will also learn how to be a better leader and how to increase your income at home or at work. I think you'll find that if you are serious about making a difference, and in particular of making money, you'll want to take this route. This is proven to be the best and only real way to build and sustain normal family life, free from worrying about money. That's good news for you. He also introduces a series of personal development techniques. Most online coaches concentrate on one aspect of your success. But Murphy integrates many strategies to reach his goal of helping you develop an awesome life. Free money starts online. You have no startup cost, and all you need is an internet connection and a laptop. You will never have to pay him or any other investment unless you decide to in the future. The books are pretty good, too. I don't understand some of the tricks, but they are easy to understand. Starting to earn money in your online business with Richard Murphy is the best choice you can make for building a solid career in today's highly competitive market. His unique teaching system. offers you lots of valuable lessons in your specific niche, so you can do it with ease. You're well on your way to success. Thanks for watching my video about how to start earning money in your online business with Richard Murphy. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video. For more information about how to start earning money in your online business with Richard Murphy, head over to my website. The link is in the description box.